Hi, this is the first violin part to Blue Rhythmico. For your audition, you only have to do from 41 to the end, but I'm going to start with the rehearsal at 33 so that you can learn that part too. That's a little bit tricky. So at 33, we play down, lift, down. Now right here, I want you to leave your third finger down and cross the two right under it as though you're making an X with your fingers. There we go. Like you're making an X like with your fingers like that. So the third finger stays down and the two comes right under it. So you really learn to feel that spacing. I don't want to see you hopping because I want to make sure that you're leaving the finger down and learning the space. So just do that several times. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, you can stop the video and practice that several times if you want. So then starting on the second measure, it would be B flat, G, D flat, low 2, sorry, high 2, and then pull back to low 2. So I'll do that again, that measure. Second measure, ready, play. Okay, so again, if you need help with that, stop, pause, rewind, do that several times. That's a little hard, so take your time with that, but at least now you know how it's supposed to sound. So I'll start at 33 again, and I'll keep going. Actually, you know what, let me show you 36. So the last note of measure 35 is a G, third finger G, and I want you to leave that down and make an X across it. Again, we're just crossing fingers. Place the fourth finger on the G string right over top of the 3. So play 3, 4, 3, 4, crossing fingers. And then you're going to slide the fourth finger up to a D. So it goes G, C sharp, D. Okay, so you're just playing from a 3 to a low 4 and then sliding up to a regular 4. All right, so I'll start at 33 so you can hear the whole phrase. 33, ready, play. G, G. So all of those down bows, every time you start, should be from the frog. So every time you lift the bow, you lift, replace at the frog. All right, 41. This is not too tricky to play. It's just, I mean, it's not hard. It's just you have to pay attention to how many notes there are. Do try to get the accents where they're written, which is kind of tricky because they're on off beats. So starting at 41, ready, play. 1, lift. Stop right there. I'll do it again with a repeat just to give you another chance to practice it. I'm not going to count off in the audition if you don't repeat it, although we will repeat it in performance. All right, so starting at 41, there is a shift you have to do in measure 43, 44. You just replace third finger with the first finger, and then you're in third position. Half step from 2 to 3. Okay, that's what the little V symbol in your part means, that's a half step the fingers should touch. All right, so measure 41, ready, play. Lift. 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 Repeat. Stop. Lift. 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 2, 3, 4. I'm going to stop right there. Okay, so the bowing does change. In measure 46, it's a down bow followed by an up bow on the eighth note. In measure 49, 50, just go ahead and slur in the A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's one way one time, one way the other time because the way the phrase and the bowing needs to be different. Okay, so I'll start again at measure 46. Hopefully going on this time. 1, 2, 46, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Slur it in. 2, 3, first position, 3. Shift. 2, 3, 4. Shift back to a 2. 4. Shift up to a 2. 2, 3, 4. back to a 2. Okay, I'll do that again because I was pausing. So I'll play it again now without without pauses. But I'll start at 46. I'll go a little slower, but no pausing. Okay? So just try to follow the fingering that's in the part. If there's a dash, it needs to shift. So shifting back and forth from first to third position. All right, starting 46 with a 4th finger. Here's what it sounds like. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, shift, B flat now, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lift. Lift, the 1, I want you to shift up to a 2, and do a tremolo with the stinger at the end, just like we practiced in rehearsal. Measure 54, do be careful that that is a low 2 B flat at the end of the measure. It's different than it was before, so watch out for that one. Okay, if you have any more questions, let me know. Good luck with that one.